Hello, welcome to my channel. Have your legs been feeling tired lately? Maybe standing up takes longer, or stairs feel tougher than before. It happens slowly, so most people ignore it, until one day they realize they can't move like they used to. And trust me, weak legs don't just happen with age. They happen when we don't notice the warning signs. After 60, every step matters. Losing leg strength doesn't just steal energy, it steals confidence, balance, and independence. But here's the good news, you can stop it. Stay with me because I'm going to share 5 simple reasons your legs get weaker and what you should start doing today before it's too late. Reason number 1, you're not using your leg muscles enough. Sarcopenia starts early. Most people believe leg weakness only starts after 60. The truth is, muscle loss begins after 30, and if we ignore it, it becomes much worse after 60. This slow muscle loss is called sarcopenia, a natural decline in muscle mass and strength. When you sit too much, avoid walking, and don't challenge your legs, the muscles shrink. Scientists call this muscle atrophy, which means muscles get smaller and weaker because they are not used. This doesn't happen overnight. It starts quietly. At 30, you may lose 1 to 2% muscle each year. By 60, it increases quickly. And suddenly, simple things like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or standing longer feel harder. Weak legs are not a sign of old age alone. They are a sign of underused muscles. Think of your legs like a machine. If you don't run it, it rusts. Strong legs equals strong life. Weak legs equals slow life. You can stop sarcopenia with consistent action. Solution: activate your leg muscles. Daily. You don't need the gym. You just need movement. Do this daily. Stand up and sit down from a chair, 10 to 15 reps. Walk 20 to 30 minutes, even indoors. Take stairs when possible. Stretch calves, hamstrings, and thighs. These simple actions reactivate muscles, increase blood flow, and signal your body to stop muscle loss and start rebuilding strength. Start small. Stay consistent. Your legs will wake up again. Reason number 2, balance and nerve control decline, neuromuscular decline. After 60, many people feel less steady on their feet. Balance doesn't just go bad, it weakens because the communication between your brain, nerves, and muscles slows down. This is called neuromuscular decline, when your nerves don't send signals to your muscles as fast as before. When balance becomes weak, you naturally move less, walk slowly, hold walls, or avoid stairs out of fear of falling. This fear leads to less activity, and less activity leads to faster muscle loss. Another scientific reason is proprioception decline, which means your body becomes less aware of position and movement. That's why people sometimes feel wobbly even on flat ground. Poor balance equals weaker leg muscles plus higher fall risk. Falls are one of the biggest reasons seniors lose independence, so balance is not something to ignore. The good news? The brain and muscles can learn again. It's called neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to build new connections at any age, but it needs practice. Solution: train balance daily, 5 minutes. Try these exercises. Stand on one leg 10 to 15 seconds, hold wall if needed, walk heel to toe in a straight line, practice slow side steps and backward steps, get up from a chair without using your hands. Balance improves faster than you think when trained daily. A little practice equals stronger nerves plus stronger legs plus safer movement. Reason number 3, poor nutrition and low protein, muscle fuel deficiency. Many adults eat less as they age, thinking lighter meals are healthier, but your muscles need fuel. After 60, your body struggles to absorb protein like before, which increases muscle loss. This is called anabolic resistance. The body becomes slow in building muscle even when food is available. Combine low protein with aging, and you get rapid sarcopenia. Tea, bread, biscuits, and rice won't build your muscles. You need protein, vitamins, minerals, and hydration. Without these, muscles get weak, bones get soft, and energy drops. Also, lack of vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and omega-3 can lead to bone weakness and inflammation, making legs feel heavy and painful. Many seniors lose strength not because they're old, but because their muscles are starving silently. Solution: eat for strength, not just to fill stomach. Focus on muscle building foods, eggs, chicken, fish, paneer, lentils, chickpeas, beans, milk, yogurt, nuts, and seeds, fresh fruits and vegetables. Daily goal: 60 to 80 grams protein, depends on body size. Also drink 6 to 8 glasses of water to keep muscles hydrated. Good food equals stronger muscles plus more energy plus less pain. Reason number 4: stiff joints and bad blood circulation, joint degeneration. After 60, joints like knees, hips, and ankles start feeling stiff. This happens due to joint degeneration, gradual wear and tear on cartilage. When joints hurt, people move less, but when you move less, joints become even stiffer and muscles shrink. Lack of movement also reduces blood circulation, so muscles receive less oxygen and nutrients. This leads to tired, heavy legs and slower recovery after walking. Inflammation and weak supporting muscles also make joints painful. Think of joints like hinges on a door. If you never oil them or move them, they become stiff and noisy. Same way, your joints need movement and lubrication. Strong muscles protect joints and reduce pain, while movement improves circulation and flexibility. Solution: gentle mobility plus blood flow training. Every day, do 10 to 15 minutes of ankle circles, knee rotations, leg stretches, slow stair climbing, if possible. Light massage with warm oil. Elevate legs for 10 minutes to improve circulation. Add omega-3 foods, flaxseed, fish, walnuts, for joint health. Motion equals lotion for your joints. Move a little, feel a lot better. Reason number 5: no strength training, muscle power decline. Walking is healthy, but walking alone cannot stop muscle loss after 60. Studies show strength training is the best way to fight sarcopenia. Without strength exercise, muscles lose power, bones lose density, and balance gets worse. This is why many older adults feel weak legs even if they walk daily. Aging naturally reduces fast-twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for strength and quick movement. If you don't challenge them, they fade faster. Strength training does not mean lifting heavy weights at the gym. It means teaching your muscles to push, pull, lift, and support your body weight. The body responds by rebuilding strength. This is called hypertrophy, the opposite of atrophy. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life. Stronger legs, better posture, more confidence, and more independence. Solution: simple strength exercises at home. Do these 3 to 4 times a week. Chair squats, 10 to 12 reps. Wall sit, 20 to 30 seconds. Calf raises, 15 reps. Side leg lifts, 10 each side step-ups on stairs, 10 each leg. Start slowly, hold support if needed, increase gradually. Strong legs equals strong life. Weak legs equals dependency. Choose strength. Growing older is a blessing. Staying strong is a choice. Take one step today, not for age, but for the life you still want to enjoy. Walk strong, live strong, be strong,